I want to briefly touch on two reasons the C.A.R.E model can be part of an effective path forward for college sports and also help mitigate legal risk. The first point builds on what some have referred to as the existential question facing college sports, which is, how do we make education the primary driver of college athletics? That's not just an existential question, though. That's also an antitrust question. The operative question under antitrust law has been whether the NCAA's rules are reasonably necessary to maintain college sports as distinct from professional sports. The Supreme Court, lower courts, and the legislators have shown a growing belief that college sports have become less distinct from professional sports and are entitled to less deference under the law than they've received in the past, in part because of the massive spending we've seen on college athletics. So how do we get to the place where we reaffirm that distinction between college sports and pro sports? I think the answer to that is to refocus on education. And the C.A.R.E model can provide a framework for doing that by linking billions of dollars in revenue distribution and spending with the underlying educational mission of college sports. Directing spending to enhance the educational model can provide courts with a renewed justification to protect college sports. A second related point is that the C.A.R.E model can be a key part of the path forward for the NCAA as it seeks help from Congress to protect it from these antitrust and other legal risks. The argument has been made that the NCAA can't limit spending unless it receives protection from Congress. But it seems increasingly unlikely that the NCAA will get protection from Congress unless it comes up with a plan to refocus and reemphasize education.